snack. If you're looking for some easy meals for Memorial Day for the entire family, well, if so, Family Fare has you covered. Today they'll be showing us how to make a couple of those, and one even goes in the crock pot. Take a look.
Hi, I'm Jessica from Family Fare, and like a lot of you, I'm a busy mom. So I'm always looking for easy recipes that don't require me to stand over the stove and watch them. With Memorial Day coming up, I have two amazing recipes to share with you. I'll be showing you how to make barbecue chicken foil packets, veggie foil packets, and a complete steak dinner in a crock pot. So first, we're gonna get started with the steak dinner. I have 4 sirloin steaks in here, in the crock pot already. And you're going to want to season them with your favorite steak seasoning. I'm using Weber Chicago steak seasoning. And salt to taste. And then I'm using Our Family steak sauce. You just need a bottle of steak sauce. Very easy, just pour it over the steak. And then you take tin foil and you put your first layer down. If you prefer to use crock pot covers, that's fine too. And then you just need to take a little bit of olive oil and brush that on the tin foil. And then you're going to take red potatoes. You just put those on top of your tin foil, salt to taste, and then you take another piece of tin foil, and what you're going to do is you're going to press down to seal them in so it forms a little barrier, and that will help steam the potatoes. Okay, so next you're going to wash and husk 4 pieces of corn. You're going to get a pat of butter, salt, and you can pepper it as well. Roll that up, pinch off the ends. So you just set all 4 pieces of corn on the top. So this is what your complete dinner looks like. I'm going to put the lid on it, and then you cook this on low for 7 hours. I'll show you what this looks like later on. Okay, so we're now going to move on to our chicken tinfoil packet. So I have a pound of pre-diced chicken already in here. You can find that in our meat department. It's already got the fat trimmed off and it's already cubed for you, ready to go. You need to put in 2 cups of barbecue sauce. For this recipe, I'm using Our Family Original. I'm going to grab a spoon, and you just want to make sure that you evenly coat the chicken. I'm just going to evenly divide the chicken. You can make as many packets as you like. So on top of your chicken, you're going to put some crushed pineapple, some chopped red pepper, and some diced onion. Now, if your kids don't like onions, you don't need to add those in. So I'm actually going to leave one of my packets with no onions. So you're going to fold it down in the middle, and then just fold over your ends. And these, you're just going to put on the grill over medium heat. You're going to grill it on one side for about 10 minutes, flip it over, and grill it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then you just want to make sure that your chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and then it's ready. So the chicken packets are ready. We're going to move on to our vegetable packets. We'll first start by making the sauce to put over it. So I have 5 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of Italian parsley, a tablespoon of oregano, a teaspoon and a half of paprika, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. You just want to stir that up. And then I've already prepared the veggies to go in the packet. So I have chopped red onion, sliced red pepper, coins of zucchini, small bite-sized pieces of red potato, and then corn. And then you just want to make sure that that it gets coated with your olive oil and your herbs. So you want to double wrap this packet. So I'm going to grab 2 pieces of tin foil, and you're going to fold it much like the chicken. Just roll it over, fold it in, rotate, and flip over, and then seal again. And so these actually, you're going to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, again on medium heat. You just cook it to your desired tenderness of the vegetables. So I'm gonna go outside, get all of this on the grill, and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Okay, our grill packets are done. So we're ready to open them and start eating. And here's our barbecue chicken, still hot. There you go. Your chicken and veggie packets, really easy to make. Okay, it's been 7 hours and our complete steak dinner is done. So we're going to start taking everything out and seeing how it turned out. So there you go. There's your complete steak dinner. And as you can see, I mean, it's so tender. Just falls right off. If the weather keeps you inside, or if you just need to start cooking something that you just don't have to check on at all, then this is it. Enjoy. Family Fare hopes you have a happy and safe Memorial Day.
And remember, to see what's on sale this week or to check out even more recipes, just head to shopfamilyfare.com.